Hey guys, it's Chris. Is it just me, or is it kind of annoying that you need tools to access the battery in order to jumpstart it, trickle charge it, or even power outboard accessories? Well, that's why in today's quick how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add an SAE connector up under the seat neatly so that you can access the battery without any tools to charge it, jumpstart it, or power your outboard accessories.
All right, let's get the ECM off these posts. Pull this plate off the top of the battery. And as always, you have to be super careful not to drop that bolt. Get the plate out of the way. And the posts on the battery are 8 millimeters also. So it's worth noting that you can see where the seat is resting. There's two circles kind of worn out right there. So as I figure out where I'm gonna send this wire, I just need to avoid those two pressure points and be cognizant of, I'm gonna probably want to zip tie this wire to keep it out of the way of where the seat's going to be pressing. So I'll start with the positive lead, and then I'll fold back the negative, and I'll just start with a zip tie right here. And to keep it snug in that groove, I'm gonna use a small zip tie. Keep it tucked in. All right, I think it works better if I just run it down and up instead of taking up space here. Yeah, as it is, I run it down basically beside this housing. It's the softest bend for the wire and it keeps it out of the way. ECM back on top, and that looks good. It's out of the way of the posts where the seat is going to sit, and I can take it out, use it as needed.
Okay guys, so that's it. We've got a standardized SAE connector up under the seat, which I can use to trickle charge the bike, jumpstart it, or if need be, I can power outboard accessories now very conveniently. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, smash the like, subscribe to follow along, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.